We got a shipment of herbs in today, and I am so excited to see what we have. I grow many herbs on our homestead and use them medicinally on ourselves and our animals. I love having that knowledge and implementing it firsthand. However, there are some herbs that either do not grow in my growing zone or the root is the medicine. What do I mean by that? Well, let me tell you. If I have worked hard to grow an herb, it kills me to have to dig up the roots to use them for medicine and replant that the next year. So, for the herbs where the root is the medicine, I tend to like to purchase those so that I don't have to kill my plant in the process of digging up the roots. I absolutely love purchasing from this company. This is the Homegrown Herbalist, and I highly recommend it. I am an affiliate with them, and it does help me if you use my particular link to order. I do have that link in the description if you are interested in this company. I like Homegrown Herbalist simply because I know how they dry herbs and how they store herbs. You have to be careful ordering herbs online at other places because you just don't know what temperature those herbs have been dried or how long they have been sitting on their shelf. Homegrown Herbalist air dries most herbs and never ever uses temperatures above 110 degrees if heat is needed. This is a good practice because drying herbs at 110 degrees or higher can result in the medicinal benefits being killed. So, for these reasons, this is why if you want high quality herbs, click the link I have in the description to order. Okay, so let's see what we have in the box. We have Brigham tea. This is also known as Mormon tea. This is amazing for colds and sinus issues. It can also give you a lot of energy and it can enhance your mood. It is so good and not always in stock, so I purchased 2 pounds worth. Next is Devil's Claw. Devil's Claw is great as a digestive aid, but most typically used for arthritis pain. It should not ever be taken if you are on blood thinners, pregnant, or breastfeeding. I also have ashwagandha. Now, I do grow this, but it is still unfortunately a small plant. It should be good by this time next year, but until then, I am going to purchase it. Ashwagandha is great for joints and the nervous system. It is also used to help reduce stress and it supports normal sleep patterns. This one should also not be taken if pregnant or breastfeeding. This is valerian. I have found that valerian is amazing to help me calm down. If I feel an anxiety attack about to happen, I take several drops of a valerian tincture and it immediately tends to calm me down. This can also be used for spasms or cramps or as a cough suppressant. Next is marshmallow root. If you have seen in my previous videos, I do grow marshmallow herb and the leaves and the flowers are medicinal but not as potent as the roots. It is a large plant that grew 8 feet this past year. Marshmallow has a lot of mucilage in it. Mucilage is a thick gelatinous substance that helps coat irritated areas in the body like the mucous membranes of the digestive tract, respiratory tract, or the urinary tract. Next is astragalus. Now, I call this astragalus, but most call it astragalus. This is great for the immune system to help you cope with stressful situations and to treat liver diseases. I am growing this, however, it takes 4 years of this growing before it is okay to use the roots medicinally. So this is one that I like to purchase if I can. And the last one is burdock root. Burdock root is great as a liver or kidney support, and also you can use it topically as it is great for the skin. This is another one that could be harmful if used during pregnancy or with breastfeeding. Now, obviously, all of these herbs have many more medicinal benefits. However, I only covered a few. If you are interested in purchasing any herbs, please use my affiliate link listed in the description of this video. I do highly recommend it. SHTF Survival Homestead Teaching Farm thanks you for watching this video. Please continue to help us help you by liking, sharing, and subscribing.